Good day, this is Graham Bibby here, giving you today's market update on the 19th of September 2013. As any of my followers will know, right at the end of August, I felt that the bottom was in place for the markets after this downward pressure. And if we look at the chart in front of us, which is the Nasdaq Industrial, where this circle is, this was the bottoming out phase, and when we actually broke up here through this descending trend line, that was the confirmation that yes, the bottom was in place. And as we can see right now, the Nasdaq's actually broken out to the upside. It's gone above its previous highs, and actually it's the market, the index, that's leading all the other indexes, the Dow Jones Industrials and the S&P. Now really why I wanted to get this out to you today is it was very interesting last night in the market that the leaders in the market are the internet stocks, and I have a watch window here which actually encompasses those. So I have a lot of watch windows for Asia, my PEG ratio stocks, where my portfolios are hitting a new high. We're quite near to the target of 30% for this year, so that's looking great. And as you know, my FOSS service outperformed the general markets from 2002 on the world index from 2002 to 2010 by a factor of 10 times. So I just want to quickly take you through the internet. So this is Facebook. In Facebook, we gave a buy here on this breakout, 25. A lot of people are a bit surprised it's today 45. We're not quite up 100% yet, but we're on that way. And I think Facebook's going to surprise a lot of people. This is a great opportunity to get into this stock because we're not far above the launch price, and it did decline to somewhere in the region of $16, $17 from its launch price of about 40. Some of these technology stocks, as you might know, in the bull market went up 5, 10, 1,000%, 2,000%, 10,000%, and Cisco Systems was something like 75,000%. I think there's a lot of upside in Facebook. BlackBerry, I think, looks quite interesting. Bit disappointed last night at that decline, 1.5% when the market was up. Overall, I think it's bottoming out. I think this company's going to be taken out, so I think there's upside. But this is what I'm really excited about, is the internet stocks. Here's Groupon, great uptrend, broke out here, buy signal at 6. Today it's nearly 12. That's from May to September. That's huge. Apple, I still like. It had this ridiculous correction here to this point, which was a support level. We've got it, still got it. Bought it originally 2009 at 100. Keep telling people this. Sold it all the way over here, and this stop loss was broken October 655. Went into it once here, came out again because it was a false break, and then bought it again around about this level. Which was 427, and we're 464 at the moment. I think this stock is very, very cheap. The forecasted earnings growth are lower than they used to be, but it's still a lot higher than PE ratio, so that looks good. Here's Salesforce.com. Again, we're back into the internet technology type stocks, up 5% last night. That's terrific, especially in relation to the market. It looks like a significant breakout. Netflix just keeps getting better and better. The breakout was at 75 in October of 2013, and with 306, up 2.46 last night. Here's Google. Now Google looks very good on the PEG ratio as well, very strong. Excuse me, up 1.94% last night. It looks to me as if we're going to get a breakout of this now, because that was a very strong, powerful day. Amazon.com, another one, very powerful, strong day. As you can see there, up 2.58%. A stock that might surprise a lot of people is Nokia. It broke out. It had a breakout and a gap up here. Not really an opportunity to buy, but up 7% last night. Hewlett-Packard, will forget that because that's old school. Mattel, toys and games. This looks to me as the start of a new uptrend. Buy signal at 42. I think there's plenty of upside in that stock. Dell, old school again. They're going to be taken private. Microsoft, no action there at the moment. eBay, it's an internet stock, but that's not really doing anything, so we can forget that. I'm just taking you through the sector because this is my watch window. This is media graphics, again, on pause there. Autodesk, that's one that looks like it's coming to life. up 3.3% last night, so that's one to watch. And Yahoo's breaking out to the upside. So I think there's a significant amount of stocks in the internet space. EMC, data storage stocks looking positive. This is a long-term trend angle here, which interestingly it's breaking out from. So that could be significant on the stock. Red Hat's doing something similar, as is Checkpoint Software. So that's all security stocks. Now this is quite an interesting one. It's had a huge move since March, 35 to 60. I would rate that another buy now. Data Watch, business software, looking quite good. We've got the Nasdaq index, and this one's quite interesting because this is Chinese internet information stock. Broke out here, then tested back, and then broke out again. So the real clearance was 30. Last night it was up 9.87%, and it's trading around 50. I think there's a lot of opportunity in that stock. So for me, the bull market's still in place. The uptrend's still in place. The PEG stocks, that's companies with very strong earnings growth. They're growing, the companies are growing, the profits are growing faster than the overall market, and their valuations are lower than the overall market. So really on target to do that 30%. That's me over for today. It is the 19th of September 2013, and for those who are enjoying the holiday tomorrow, I wish you a very good day.